What's up? Jesse, Southern Reels Fishing, out on the water for Independence Day today, which is awesome. Love July 4th. It's an awesome holiday. And the weather today is supposed to be phenomenal. The winds, the conditions, everything just couldn't be any better. I had to get out on the water. I'm actually solo today. It's good because it's given me an opportunity to explore a new place that I've never been to before. So I'm going to be fishing some structure today. I'm going to see if I can find anything here and hopefully we catch some fish. So wish me luck. All right, folks, as you see, we do have a nice big piece of structure here to work with. Pretty good depth of water. We're rocking about 30 feet along this area here. So I'm gonna start off jigging, try for some flounder early this morning. We still got a little bit of an incoming current. I think slack tide is supposed to be around 7 o'clock. It's about 6 right now. So I got a bucktail rig here. I'm gonna try for flounder and drum first, see what I can find, and then maybe sheepshead. See what we can do. All right, gave that an hour, nothing but croaker. I'm gonna try something else. Something on here. What we got? And a nice striper. Expect that. Heck yeah, y'all. Tinning good too. Well, look at that, y'all. Striper on a crab again. Alright, chill. He's 23 inches long. Nice striper. Start today. See you, buddy. I knew I saw something down there chasing bait around. There's a lot of bait on these pilings. That's what it was, is some striper evidently bombing them. Down, here we go. Oh, man, another striper. Come on out away from that piling. Come on over this side. Hell yeah. Love it. Eating the fiddler crabs and all that. Yeah, 23 3/4. That's the same fish. Look at that. Beautiful fish though. Well, y'all was here expecting maybe sheepshead. I wasn't expecting striper, but I'll take it. Oh, hell yeah. Are you serious? That's a beast of a tautog right there. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, that's a nice tautog. That's my best tautog I think I ever caught. 22 1/4. Heck yeah, y'all. Beautiful fish. What's up, man? Thank you, bro. Well, y'all, I didn't expect that. That was awesome. That's the biggest tautog I've ever caught. Good land tonight. Something good here, y'all. Something good. Good Lord. Alright, don't get me in a pile of this. A little more drag. One more drag. Get away from that pile. Oh, that's another nice striper. Yeah. Awesome. Whew, that was a good run. Yeah, y'all. A nice striper. Pretty fish. Thank you, man. That wasn't very graceful. Oh, damn. Oh, there we go. I got another nice striper here. Uh-oh, he's gonna cut me off. And the pilings. Just run in there. Oh, I just did get him out of there. Come on, come on, come on, in that, yeah. Heck yeah. Another nice striper, y'all. I think I can keep these. I don't know. Got a nice school of stripers I found here. Catching them on all things fiddler crabs, which is odd to me, but I guess striper will eat anything. So I'm gonna try this jig here. Tried a bucktail, that didn't work. I'm gonna try this. See if maybe they'll hit this. Maybe they didn't like the color of the bucktail or something, who knows. Okay. They just don't want no parts of this jig. That is weird. There we go. Got another striper here. What we got? Don't really feel like a striper. Oh, it's a sheepy. Well, what do you know? There are sheepies here, and that's a good one too. I'm really beginning to wonder. Heck yeah, y'all. Woo! It's a nice sheepshead too. It's him really good. Oops, still sharp. Well, y'all, in a way, that was kind of really what I was hoping to find here today. To be honest, the striper and that really big tautog were just kind of a bonus. I didn't find any flounder, but I do get this really nice sheepshead. That's how big he is. 22 and a half. It's not a citation, but not bad at all for this bridge. At least I know they're here. Yeah, man, thank you. Well, y'all, that was a pleasant surprise. Been looking all day for a sheepshead. Finally found one. I was about to give up on them, just thinking that they weren't in this far, but apparently they are. I'm just gonna keep right on dropping down and see if I can find some more, maybe. Because honestly, that one didn't even show up on the live scope. I was just dropping on random pilings and caught him. So I'm glad I was checking them. Nice one, y'all. Alright, one last try before I go. Really want to catch flounder. I'm not sure what kind of slam that would be. Sheepshead, tautog, striper, and flounder. Pretty good though. Especially consider I got keepers of all of them so far. I don't know. See if we can get a flounder maybe. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. It's time to go home. Unless something catches my eye on the way in. Might be it, y'all. Pretty good day, can't complain.